If your SteelSeries Sonar mic suddenly stops working, don't panic. This issue is way more common than you think. And in most cases, the fix is quick and simple. In this guide, I'll walk you through the easiest steps to get your microphone working again, so stick with me till the end. First, open up the SteelSeries GG app. Once you're inside, head over to the Sonar tab and look under the Input Devices section. Make sure your actual microphone is selected. Sometimes Windows randomly switches it to another input without you noticing. While you're there, double check that the mic isn't muted and bump the input volume up a little. If it's too low, your voice won't register at all. If that doesn't solve it, let's move over to Windows settings. Right-click the speaker icon near your clock and open the sound settings. Under the input section, select your SteelSeries microphone, then talk into it. You should see the mic test bar moving. If it's not moving at all, that means Windows isn't picking up any audio from your mic. Next, check your microphone permissions. Open Windows settings, go to Privacy and Security, then Microphone. Make sure microphone access is turned on at the top. Then scroll through the app list and make sure programs like Discord, Zoom, or your game chat have permission to use your mic. If they're blocked, nothing will work, even if all your other settings are correct. If you've tried everything so far and still no luck, the issue might be the GG software itself. Uninstall SteelSeries GG completely, restart your PC, then download and reinstall the latest version from the official SteelSeries website. A clean install usually clears hidden bugs or corrupted files that cause mic issues. After doing these steps, your mic should be working again. And if it still isn't, you're probably dealing with a hardware problem. Try connecting the mic to another device to confirm what's going on. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get your SteelSeries Sonar mic back up and running. If you found this guide useful, feel free to check out more tutorials like this. See you next time.